Hey guys, welcome to Medical TubeMate. Today we are going to learn about PFSH. PFSH means past, family and social history. So let's start without wasting our time. So here you can see PFSH is a part of history and history is a key component of ENM. Please check my previous video for more clarity on ENM and key components of ENM because I have uploaded video topics serially one by one, so you can understand very well key components and what are the key components, that sort. So come to the point. Past, family and social history, you just separate it. Past, family and social history, you just separate it for well understanding. So like that, first past, then family and then social history. So you can see here, past, patient experiences with illness, injury, operation and treatment includes current medication and known allergy. Past means it should be patient past history like illness, injury, past operation, any treatment including current medication and known allergy. And our next point, family history. Medical events in family including hereditary disease or those that present at a risk to the patient. Family disease history like diabetes, hypertension, father and brother both having diabetes mellitus and patient also having diabetes mellitus, like that condition we have to consider family history. And then next is social history. Social history means current employment. If doctor has mentioned that history points, that time we have to consider. For example, doctor has mentioned current employment, occupational history, use of drugs, alcohol, tobacco, and if doctor has mentioned sexual history, that time we can consider it as a social history. So guys, here I have given one table. Here you can see proper differentiation of PFSH. See here, past history, family history and social history. Here you can see what are the conditions, what are the points are given, that only we have to consider in past history. For example, prior history, illness, operation, hospitalization, current medication. If patient having any allergy, means it should be count in past history. And in family history means in family disease. For example, disease of family that may be hereditary or place patient at risk. So that time we have to consider family history. And social history means current employment, occupational history, use of drug, alcohol and tobacco, then sexual history. So you just follow that table, you can understand very well. So come to the PFSH counting. So PFSH counting is very easy because maximum only 3 points possible is there. So pertinent means 1 and complete means 2 or 3. So if suppose in your report only 1 point is getting, so 1 point means either past history, family history or social history. So that time your PFSH will be pertinent. If suppose you got 2 or 3 points, so here 2 or 3. So suppose your report and your patient is established, means 2 points enough for complete PFSH. If your patient is established, new patient, so that time 3 points required for complete PFSH. So don't be confused here, 2 or 3. Okay, so come to the example. So here you can see example, patient diagnosed myocardial infarction in 2012. Father deceased from MI at the age of 53 and mother in poor health, lung cancer. And patient smokes 2 packets of cigarette per day. So this is example. So you have to count how many points you are getting in that PFSH. So as per me, I got 3 points. Like that, patient diagnosed MI in 2012. So that means it's a patient history, it's a patient illness. So we can consider this line in a past history. And then father disease and mother in poor health, lung cancer. So it's a family history. And then next line is patient smokes 2 packet. So smoking is a social history. So here in that example 3 points are there. So that's why 3 means it's a complete PFSH. So like that counting we have to do in PFSH. So don't be confused here, pertinent, complete, and all. When I will take final ENM, that time you can apply ENM level very well. Now you just understand how to count PFSH. So guys, that's only today's topic, PFSH. Hope you understand well. And if you have any doubt, comment me. And thank you for watching Medical TubeMate. Take care, like, share, and subscribe Medical TubeMate.